Kabbalah calls this tikkun, or to rectify, to heal the shattered vessels left over after the Big Bang. Each of us contains shards from those shattered vessels within, and our mission is to heal and repair the pieces in ourselves, especially within our soul, and then to help others do the same. Only when we, in our diverse forms, can reclaim our wholeness, both individually and collectively, will we then be able to rectify the shattering in our world. The healing of our world is a collective mission, yet each of us has a unique role to play in that mission. The question we should all be asking ourselves is whether we are on track with fulfilling our unique role or not. We can only answer this for ourselves, but clearly the world desperately needs healing and has a ways to go before the vessel is repaired.